You've probably seen a guy pour his heart and soul into a relationship with a girl who doesn't care, doesn't acknowledge his efforts, and doesn't appreciate anything about him. And what does he get in return? Insults and ungratefulness. Nene, this video, we're not just talking about moving on or forgetting someone. Today is all about revenge because it's just not fair, bro. It's not fair when someone dedicates so much attention but is treated as if they mean nothing. You know the best revenge? It's not causing a scene or bad-mouthing her everywhere. It's something much subtler and smarter, showing her that you don't need her, that life goes on and you can be happy without her approval. That's the silent revenge, bro. Simple, yet incredibly effective and powerful because it shows you're not an average guy. So let's get into this, bro. 1. When you leave, your value becomes clear. Let's get straight to the point. You need to be prepared to leave her life. Too many guys choose to stay with girls who don't care. They tolerate being unappreciated and pretend everything is fine just to stay in the relationship. If you really want to teach her a lesson, you need to be willing to walk away. The only way that will make her truly realize your value and regret not giving you the respect you deserve is when she realizes that you're gone. Leave without looking back. At first, it might not seem like a big deal, but wait until time passes. Bro, she'll realize that she lost the benefits you offered her. I'm not just talking about money and gifts, but your attention, sacrifices, and time. If she doesn't appreciate you, then you need to appreciate yourself. Hold your head high. Bro, close that chapter and move on. You deserve someone who recognizes your worth, someone who's willing to give the same in return. 2. Think more about yourself and less about her. The biggest mistake that makes so many guys lose themselves is that they think too much about the girl. When you realize that you need to distance yourself because she doesn't appreciate you, you have to stop giving her so much space in your mind and focus on your own life. A girl will only appreciate a guy when she realizes that he no longer depends on her. So stop texting her, stop dropping hints, and stop checking her social media. Disappear, bro, and show complete indifference. This will affect her ego and trigger her curiosity. She'll want to know what you're doing and why you're not chasing her like before. So focus on yourself. Use your free time to upgrade yourself physically and mentally. Focus on your hobbies, sports, or even invest in your career. When you're busy building your own happiness, you'll naturally let go of the obsession with her life. More importantly, it's crucial to rebuild your self-esteem and confidence. When she realizes that you're moving forward, living your life without worrying about her, that's when she'll start to appreciate what she lost. 3. Let yourself meet other girls. An effective way to make a girl regret not appreciating you is by showing her how other girls treat you with respect. That's why you need to open yourself up to dating other girls. This not only shows her that you're valuable and wanted, but it also opens up new possibilities for yourself, meeting new people and gaining new experiences and perspectives. You might even meet someone who truly appreciates you. Don't waste your time waiting for her to change. Don't get stuck in a situation that doesn't make you happy, bro. 4. Don't forget about your social life. Some guys get so wrapped up in their relationships that they end up neglecting their friends and family. They live in a bubble where everything revolves around that girl. Your social life is one of the best ways to make her regret not appreciating you. By showing her that your life is going on normally and that you're still having fun, she'll regret not valuing you. If she still has feelings for you, the more she sees you happy, the more she'll regret her actions. Maintaining an active social life is essential for your emotional well-being. Spending time with friends and family provides support and moments of joy that are important for coping with the emotional challenges of a failed relationship. Don't let romantic problems affect your social life. Keeping a healthy balance and mindset is crucial. Additionally, by staying socially active, you'll expand your social circle and create new opportunities for connections and personal growth. Who knows, you might meet someone who truly values everything you have to offer. Conclusion: prioritize your well-being and happiness, and that will serve as a powerful lesson for the girl who failed to appreciate you. Don't forget to apply these tips in your romantic journey. Let yourself meet new people, strengthen your social life, and dedicate yourself to personal growth. And remember, bro, the best revenge you can give to those who don't appreciate you is to become an even better version of yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.